stumbled into a little system today that I think might work and might help me be less terrible. I am doing my basement reno here, and I am basically terrible at locating plugs and device outlets. So I stumbled into a little system today that I think might work and might help me be less terrible. And I happened on it by accident. I made a template out of a piece of drywall. The electrician, when he set the boxes, set them off the floor, so this floor pitches like this, so it's not level. So I can use this same template everywhere I go around the room. I've cut out a box, and I've marked that this is the edge of the stud. Okay, does that say stud? I hope I spelled it right. I plumb a line down. I know the studs are plumb. And I put it here because I've marked the floor for where the device box is. And I can mark the stud up here too, just as a double extra measure. Go like this, something like this. So I know that's my stud. And I know the box is on this side of it. Then I take my Dremel tool and I cut out all four sides of the box. I did 3 here. Hopefully I'll hit it. This is an experiment. Obviously things could go wrong with this. You want to be careful, especially if you're wiring sheeting, drywalling over a wired box. So go slow, go careful. Let's see what happens here. Get my hide tool out here, see if I can pop this off with relative ease. Come on out, baby. Ha! And there it is. Nailed it. Woo! Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you on the next go around.